harmoniously satanic persons. That's what I came to correct. All the people you don't need around you. All those people that they disagree with your destiny. Somebody holla, delete. Holla, delete in your language. Holla, delete in your language. Father, as the church says amen, let the curse go back to the sender. The curse goes back to the sender. As the church says amen, blessing enter your marriage. Enter your marriage. Settled.